Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to finally be sharing my modern farmhouse laundry room makeover with you guys. I've been talking about it over on my Instagram and I can't wait for you to see how I've created a gorgeous laundry room makeover on a budget. I share the insane before and after clips, so do be sure to watch until the end and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's just jump straight into today's laundry room makeover by emptying the room and prepping it for painting. So this is the first time I've ever done any painting, so to paint an entire room by myself was a bit of a challenge, but I'm so glad that I did it. It looks so much better. I did just go ahead and use the Dulux in the shade Brilliant White just to brighten the room up and give it the vibe that I was going for. It was magnolia to start with, so it wasn't quite the farmhouse look, so I needed it to be white and have a blank canvas so I could start from scratch, and I think it looks amazing. So once that was done, I did go ahead and give it a second coat, and I think it came out brilliantly. It didn't need a third coat, and now you can see Rob building me the rail to dry the clothes on, and this is actually what inspired this entire laundry room makeover. I was only going to be having a rail in the spare room, but I thought I may as well go ahead and create a space where I can dry, iron and fold clothes and just have a complete laundry room upstairs, because I don't like using the tumble dryer that often. I'll only be using the tumble dryer for the bedding, and everything else can be done upstairs in the new laundry room. So I wanted it to be a space that I love, so I can actually enjoy doing laundry and get more done, and I think it was so worth it. This rail really adds to the room. It adds to the whole modern farmhouse style that I was going for, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. So next up we have these shelves that I picked up from the range. The long ones were only £5.50, and I think it was the same for the corner shelves as well, and they make a world of difference in the laundry room, so I'm really glad that I did this. If I was to do it again, I definitely would sand them down and prep them a little bit more before painting them, because they did splinter a little bit, but it just added to the effect that I wanted. I think they look amazing at the end, but if you did want to have them a little bit more perfect and a couple of coats of paint, I definitely would sand them down. But for £5.50, I am so happy with how they turned out. I am only putting one coat of paint on, so we can still see the wood through it. I think it gives it more of the farmhouse style and the look that I'm going for, and I think they turned out beautiful. So for all of the shelves and the cabinets and everything, I'm using the brand Crown Trade in the Fast Flow Quick Dry Satin shade. I absolutely love this. It works perfectly for the modern farmhouse look, especially with the matte finish. It gives it the vintage kind of distressed vibe to it, which is absolutely what I was going for. So if you want to try and create the same thing, I would definitely go for the Quick Dry Satin shade. I left them outside to dry for around 2 hours before doing the other side, and it was actually on this day that we did go shopping and buy everything that we needed to decorate the room with. So I was super excited about that. I didn't take you shopping the whole experience because I wanted a lot of it to be a surprise. I didn't want you to see everything that I bought, but I did take you for a little wander around the range, just at a couple of the signs and everything, but I didn't want to take you to IKEA as well because that is where we bought the majority of the things. If you are interested in how much everything was and where I bought it from, let me know down in the comments, and I can always do a laundry room tour over on my Instagram. So if you do want to know prices and where they're from, just let me know down in the comments. If you're wanting to do a makeover as well, but you don't have a very big budget or a budget at all, don't forget to shop your house first and also repurpose old furniture, because that's what I did here and I saved a ton of money. We've had these drawers for a number of years now and I was just completely bored of them. So I painted them with the same paint that I used on the shelves, and again, only used the one coat just so I could still see the wood through it, so it looks more worn and used, and it just has the modern farmhouse feel that I was going for. So I'm really glad that I repurposed these instead of buying new because I saved a ton of money. Painting this cabinet definitely took longer than I thought it was going to, so I'm just going to take this time to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love for you to stick around, and also leave this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it. If you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and see behind the scenes of this video, where everything came from, what everything costs, then do head over to my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram link down in the description below.
All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb. It's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish.
This definitely isn't the neatest paint job you're ever going to see, but I was really worried that I was going to be running out of paint, especially after doing the back of the cabinet as well. So my main focus point at the moment was just doing the front of the drawers and what you can see, because I can always go back afterwards and do the sides as well. And it did turn out that I had lots of paint left, so I can always go back in and do the sides afterwards, but I just wanted to do what would be seen and get all of that done first. So it's got to that time where I do need Rob's help again, because I don't know the first thing about putting shelves up, and because I want quite a bit of stuff on the shelves, I do need them functional and working and not breaking after a week. So he went ahead and put all the shelves up for me, and I think they look amazing. I was so shocked at how just a few shelves can completely transform a room, and with even not having anything on them to begin with, I was still in love with them. So it's definitely coming together, and my vision for this room is coming together, and I'm just so happy and thankful that we did it. I think this is the best part of this entire makeover, and it's now the decorating stage. So now I just need to get everything in, work out where I want it, and just make it look more put together like a laundry room, and just get it completely finished. I'm absolutely in love with how this room turned out. My vision definitely came to life, and it is now one of my favourite places to be. Don't forget, if you do want to do a makeover, to repurpose old furniture and always shop your home first, because you can be amazed at what you can do on a budget. I'm just going to go ahead now and show you the before and afters. Thank you so much for watching today's laundry room makeover. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I am going to go ahead and leave another one on the screen here for you, and I will see you back here in the next one.